What is the purpose of boiling chicken before frying it?
Welcome to another episode of Cooking Tips and Techniques. In today's video, we will discuss the purpose of boiling chicken before frying it, and how it can benefit your cooking process. Let's dive in.
Why boil chicken before frying?
You might be wondering, why should I boil chicken before frying it? Boiling chicken before frying has several benefits. 1. Faster cooking time. Boiling the chicken partially cooks it, reducing the frying time and ensuring that the chicken is cooked evenly. 2. Tender and juicy texture. Boiling helps to retain the chicken's moisture, resulting in a tender and juicy texture after frying. 3. Less oil absorption. Pre-cooked chicken absorbs less oil during frying, making the final dish healthier.
How to boil chicken before frying?
Now, let's move on to the steps for boiling chicken before frying. 1. Prepare the chicken. Clean and cut the chicken into desired pieces. 2. Season the water. Add salt, pepper, and other desired seasonings to a pot of water. 3. Boil the chicken. Place the chicken pieces in the pot and bring the water to a boil. Cook the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until it's partially cooked but not fully cooked. 4. Drain and cool. Remove the chicken pieces from the pot and let them cool before frying.
What about the flavor?
Some people may be concerned that boiling chicken before frying might result in a loss of flavor. However, using well-seasoned water can actually enhance the flavor of your chicken. Furthermore, you can use the resulting chicken broth in other recipes, adding even more flavor to your dishes. In conclusion, boiling chicken before frying is a useful technique that can help you achieve tender, juicy, and evenly cooked chicken with less oil absorption. Don't forget to season your water and consider using the leftover broth in other recipes. Give it a try and enjoy the delicious results. Happy cooking!